Hey guys, welcome back. And today we'll try to understand how we can copy set items. Yeah. When I'm talking about copying set items in Python, it refers to creating a new set that contains the same elements as an existing set. Unlike simple variable assignment, which creates reference to the original set, copying ensures that changes made to the copied set do not affect the original set and vice versa. So there would be no changes if you make any kind of changes in the copied set. Yeah. Now there are different methods in which we can do it. Either we can use the method, or we have the set function, or we can do it using the set comprehension. Yeah. By this time, you would have understood set comprehension is used for various purposes: adding items, updating items, removing items, uh, copying set items. Yeah. So let's get into the first way of copying set items. That is using copy method. Let me copy the format using copy method. Yeah. Now the copy method in set class is used to create shallow copy of the set object. Now, a shallow copy means that method creates a new collection object but does not create copies of the objects contained within the original collection. Instead, it copies the references to these objects. Therefore, the original collection contains mutable objects. Modification to these objects will be reflected in both the original and the copied collection. The details about the more details about copy method we have separately covered in the copy methods, the various type of methods that we have done in our earlier video. We'll just quickly run through an example to understand how copy method works. So suppose I have this language, the set that I have, yeah, and I'm taking another variable since I have to copy this set, yeah, and we'll print both of them. So I have this, I'm printing the line one. Let me open that. Let me put this as well as language. So I'll show you how it is getting copied. So I'm copying this first set into another set. Let's see, using the copy method. Yeah. So we'll check whether lang1 and lang2 has the same elements. Yeah. So both the sets have the same elements. Now what I'll try to do is I'll try to update. Let's have the IDs as well, just to give you a reference of what is happening. Just to show you again is both the sets have different ID. Hence, any changes made to lang 1 or any of the changes made to lang 2 will not change the original set. So let me first show you the IDs of the set. So these are the IDs. You can see the numbers are different. 3808 and you have the 6944. Now let me make some changes to lang 1. Yeah. So I'll say lang 1, you know how to add an element, right? Add, yes. And I am adding a new element called SQL. And again, I'll bring the lang 1 and lang 2 set. That's language 1 and language 2 set. You'll find the changes that I have done to language 1 does not get affect in language 2. Yeah. Since their IDs are different. So this is how you copy sets. Yes. And since both the copies are different, any changes done to either of the set will not affect the other set. Yeah, that's what we said. It does not create the copies of the objects contained within the originator. Instead, it copies the references to these objects. Yeah, let's move on to the next method, and that is by using the set function. We will try to use the set function. Now, the set function is used to create new set object. Now, it takes the iterable as an argument. Yeah. Now, if no argument is provided, it creates an empty set. We can copy set using set function by passing the original set as an argument to the set constructor. This creates new sets that contains all the elements from the original, ensuring that any modification to the new set do not affect the original set. So let's quickly run through an example. We have covered this function in our methods again. Right now, what we are trying to do is we are trying to find out various ways in which we can copy set. Yeah. So let me have my set. Yeah. And I am creating a new set with the set method. Yeah. So this is the new set. Yes. We have this new set 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, which is copied from the original set. So this was our original set. Let me put the original set here. Original set, which is my set. Let me run. Yeah. So this was the original set and it is copied to a new set using the set function. Now, in order to show that both the elements or both the sets are independent of each other, let me add something to my copied set this time. So to the new set dot add, I'm adding a new number that is 10 and we'll again print the original set and the new set. So you can see I have modified the new set, but it has not created any changes in the original set. So these are two independent copies that has happened. Why we need to know this? Because in certain copy functions, you you tend to get the same copy with the same IDs, and any changes done to the original or new set or the copied set gets reflected with each other. Over here, by set function, it doesn't happen that way. So these are independent copies, and any changes made to either of the set doesn't change the sets. Yeah. So these are the two ways that we have looked at. First is the copy method. Second is the set function by which you can copy set. The last one that we look at is through set comprehension. So using set comprehension. So we know what is set comprehension. We can copy sets using set comprehension by iterating over the elements of the original set and directly creating a new set with those elements. Yeah, pretty simple. We have seen how set comprehension works and what is the syntax and all. So let me directly move on to an example. What I'm doing is I have created this set, and using the set comprehension, I'm creating a new set altogether. Yeah, so this is the new set that has been created. So the syntax of set comprehension, we know that we have the expression first, then we have the variable for copying the element. Yeah, and then we have the iterator, that is the set that we have to copy. So this is the variable or the any kind of function expression that you want to use. This X is the variable or the item that would be pushed using the my set that is available. And this particular variable will be pushed onto the new set. Yeah. This way we are creating a new set by looping through the original set. So let's see the output of this. You can see the new set has been copied using the list comprehension. So these are three methods by which mostly these are some practical methods by which I copy sets. You can use them how you feel feasible given the kind of code that you are writing or the kind of comfortability that you have with either of these functions. Hope you like this explanation. Hope you like this video. Do like them and share it with your colleagues who want to learn Python. Do not forget to subscribe to my channel if you like to get this such kind of informative videos directly to your inbox. Thank you so much.